Yo, Veno here from No Worries Lifestyle. Tuesday today, tips and tricks Tuesday. So, I've been using these spoon sinkers. I've been catching heaps of yellow belly on them at Kangaroo Lake, and I'll show you how to make them. So what you need is lead. I bought this off Facebook. I got 10 kilos for $10, I think. So you just, and you need a frying pan. I just bought that off Facebook too. And a stove just to heat it up, and a bowl of water. The water helps the lead to set, so you're not waiting around a long time. That's all. And bend the spoon up with a pair of pliers. Tash Veno. So what you do, be careful with that lead hot. I just took it on the side. You just put your spoon in. Get it out, and then just hold it onto the top of the water. Don't just throw it in the water until you hear it sizzle. See how it sizzles? That's setting the lead. Just hold it there for a little bit, and it'll set the lead. And that helps it harden it up quicker, so you're not fucking waiting around all night. So that's about, I reckon that's about right. So I'll just drop that spoon in. See how it just drops straight out? And there you are. Just clean it up. And there's your spoon sink. And what I do is, I got a drill here. You just drill the top. Go both sides so it's not got burrs on it. Then you get these. These are just $2 swivel snaps from Kmart. There's like 50 in there, 40. And you just you just open it up, put it through that hole, and there you have it. That's your spoon sinker. They're good for, they make big splash, so when you're throwing out in the lake for yellow belly. So I'll show you one more time. So you just dip the spoon, make sure there's no water on it from the last one. Just dip your spoon and just be careful with that side. I'll see all this. This is all dirt, you just scrape it to the side. That's just all dirt, and then you'll have clean lead. Just scoop it. Just scoop it. And just hold it just above the water. You hear it sizzle, don't just drop it in the water, it might explode in the face. I've got a heap of them already, so saves your money. Just hold it on there, and then it should just drop off the spoon. By right. And that's how you make spoon sinkers. And I got reef molds to make reef sinkers, but I've made a heap of them. Yo, no worries.